Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best over-the-toilet storage that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Sauder Caraway Etagere Slate Finish. Have your restroom looking orderly and elegant with this Sauder Bath Collection Etagere. This space-saving unit fits perfectly over your toilet and incorporates cubbyhole storage alongside an adjustable shelf. Also, it has an adjustable shelf just next to the frame panel door. This allows the storage of any restroom necessities. To elaborate more, the unit incorporates beadboard back panel and faux slate varnish. These attributes will provide your restroom with a fresh new look. At number 4. Zenna Home Over-the-Toilet Bathroom Spacesaver. Solve your little space problem with the Zenna Home Over-the-Toilet Spacesaver. This bathroom spacesaver has both open and hidden storage for bathroom items. At the top, this spacesaver has 2 cabinet doors stocked with chrome-finished knobs to unfold a storage shelf. At the middle area is another open shelf for storing attractive bathroom items. Below the open shelf is another hidden storage shelf with a drop door cabinet. Made of espresso-finished wood, this spacesaver is long-lasting. At number 3. HoneyCanDo 4-tier metal shelf spacesaver BTH05281. This bathroom shelf spacesaver by HoneyCanDo is also very essential in creating more space. Its sturdiness makes you store all your bathroom items suitably. This bathroom spacesaver features 4 shelves, creating more space for storing your washcloths, towels, and other bathroom items. Its design makes it fit perfectly over any standard toilet design to provide vertical bathroom storage. Moreover, its 68-inch height also ensures that all items are easily reachable. There is no need for minding about the unit scratching your floor. At number 2. Best Choice Products Spacesaver Modern Over-the-Toilet Storage. Organize your toilet essentials with modern over-the-toilet storage. These units have a large shelf that holds toiletries. Additionally, over-the-toilet storage cabinet features smooth espresso finish and beadboard back panel that gives your restroom a modern feel. The cabinet is also suitable for bathroom convenience and organization. Again, it is excellent for storing surplus bathroom, towels, toilets, paper, and soaps. Furthermore, its design includes multiple yet adjustable shelves for storing small and large items. Also, it has external cubbies, and next to the framed panel door, there are shelves. And finally at number 1. Spirich Home Over-the-Toilet Storage Shelf. Maximize available space and organize your necessities in your bathroom with Spirich Home. Unlike the other brands of the same category, this one will not only occupies unused space but also provide display needs. It is engineered using durable wood and also features beadboard back panel and the soft white finish for a cheerful, bright look that will complement your home decor. Consequently, it has cubbyhole storage alongside an adjustable shelf. It also includes a louver door and 2 extended shelves suitable for a varied variety of medicines, toiletries, and more. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.